So POCO has announced a budget tablet called the Pad C1, and this tablet is expected to launch before the end of May. It's not available yet, but it's going to be a very affordable tablet. And this is a Wi-Fi only tablet, which means it doesn't support cellular connectivity, so you cannot actually use a SIM card with this tablet. The tablet is going to be available in gray and black colorways, and it has a simple design, but the build material are actually quite nice. According to the details, the device has a flat aluminum frame and an aluminum body. Also, the tablet is actually 7.4mm thin and weighs around 406 grams. Now, in terms of specs, the tablet packs a massive 9.7-inch IPS LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Performance-wise, the tablet is, as I said earlier, a budget tablet. So it is powered by the Snapdragon 6S Gen 2 chipset, paired with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage, and it supports micro SD card expansion, which is quite nice. The tablet ships with the Android 16 with HyperOS 3 custom skin on top, and I don't know if the tablet is going to receive multiple updates, but it's a Xiaomi tablet, even if it's called POCO, so it might at least receive like 2 years of updates. The tablet has a single 8MP main camera and a 5MP selfie shooter. Both the selfie and the main camera can shoot 1080p videos at 30fps. Additional features include stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and one of the top features of this tablet is its battery capacity, which is a massive 7,600 mAh cell, and it supports just 18 watts charging. So these tablets could easily last, I don't know, 2 days, 3 days on a single charge. And since it's a budget tablet, you cannot actually use it for heavy gaming or anything that would rapidly drain battery life. So the tablet is guaranteed to last for at least 2 days on a single charge. So these are the top features of the POCO Pad C1. According to the details, the device would most likely cost about $140 to $190, depending on the RAM and storage configuration. So that's it for the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.